Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable lasagna. So let's get started. Okay, I have some spinach. I have some chunky mushroom and green pepper sauce. I'm going to lay out the sauce on the first layer. Add the noodles and put the sauce on top. Spread that out. I'm also going to chop up some green peppers of my own. Spread that out on the first layer and then add my spinach. Add the ricotta and get that all sorted out. And I also just plop those down and spread it out. Added my cheese. I added cayenne pepper and Cajun seasoning. And I repeat it. And on the top, I just spread it out the sauce. Added more and more cheese on top, which was delicious. And turned my oven on 380. And there you have it. Real easy, real delicious. Oh my God, you're going to thank me later. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.